Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus limits can be tricky, but we will solve this problem in 60 seconds by comparing growth rates and testing the behavior of functions as x grows. First, look at option A. Exponential functions grow much faster than any polynomial. Since the denominator 2 to the x dominates the numerator x to the 5, it approaches 0. Now check the others. B grows to infinity because exponentials beat polynomials. C also grows to infinity. D approaches the ratio of leading coefficients, which is 1 over 25. Boom! Since only option A results in a limit of 0, we've confirmed our choice. The denominator's exponential growth ensures the fraction shrinks to 0 as x increases. Let's go! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't ignore growth or misread limits. Always verify dominance and study end behavior for success.